Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. I'm a Turkish YouTuber and I share a lot of Turkish and Mediterranean recipes on my YouTube channel. So this one is something that I make a lot during fall and winter. We make a lot of bulgur salad in Turkey. We call it kısır. And this is my take on kısır. It's with pumpkins, it's with sunflower seeds, apricots. It's very wholesome, very delicious, very easy to put together, and everyone is going to like it. Especially if you like pumpkin, you should definitely try it. You can serve it as a salad on New Year's or Thanksgiving, however you would like. So first off, what I need to do is that I need to roast the pumpkins. So in front of me I have about 2 cups of pumpkins, and to that I'm going to drizzle a generous amount of olive oil. And this oil is going to take the aroma of the pumpkin, and I'm going to use it in my salad dressing as well. That's why I'm being a little generous with it. And I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. I'm going to give this a mix, and I'm going to transfer it to my preheated oven at 180 Celsius degrees. And it's going to stay in there for about 20-25 minutes. You don't want to overcook your pumpkins for this salad. If you overcook them, they're going to become a puree, and I don't want it. I want to feel them a little bit once everything is completed. So 25 minutes is going to be enough. So fine bulgur looks something like this. It's not edible at this point, but you don't need to cook it. What you need to do is you need to soak it. And it softens up pretty fast. In about 15 minutes, it will be soft enough. And some people like to soak their fine bulgur with hot water. But what I do is I soak it with room temperature water. This way it feels much nicer, much better after it's cooked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flavor the water with a little bit of cinnamon, half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm going to add in some tarragon. I'm going to add some salt and some black peppers. Give it a mix. And I'm going to pour over this spiced water on the bulgur. Stir it thoroughly. And I'm going to let this wait for about 15-20 minutes until I see that bulgur is cooked and it's edible. So while that's waiting, what I'll do is that I have here about 5 apricots. You can use 5, 6, however much you like. And I soaked them in water as well, room temperature water as well, so that they've softened up a little bit. And I'm going to chop these up. And after the bulgur is done and the pumpkins are done, I'm just going to mix everything together and our salad will be ready. So the bulgur has been waiting in the water for 15 minutes, and as you can see, it's totally edible now. It has softened up, no need to cook it. You can just soak it and it's done. But you have to make sure that this is fine bulgur. Fine bulgur only cooks up like this. So to that, I'm now adding, I will say about half a cup of mint, half a cup of parsley. You can add in some green onions as well if you would like me. So half a cup of green onions and the apricots that I've chopped up. Some sunflower seeds to give it a crunchy taste, and the pumpkins that I've roasted in the oven for 15-20 minutes. And they've cooked up, but they're not a puree, which is the way I want them. So I have here the juice of 1 lemon. And to that, I'm adding some salt. And I'm adding this beautifully flavored olive oil that I've used for roasting the pumpkins in here as well. I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil more, so that the salad is not dry. This should do. And now I'm adding the sauce to the salad. Giving everything a good mix. And I'm simply going to transfer it back to here. Now let's give it a taste. So light, so fresh. The pumpkin gives it a great richness. This is only going to get better as it waits, so if you have time, make sure this waits like this for an additional 15-20 minutes so that it absorbs the oil and the lemon juice as well. But it's so amazing, so wholesome. Please go into your kitchens and try it now, and if you do try, don't forget to leave your comments down below. I share a lot of easy breezy wholesome Mediterranean recipes, so if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.